Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today's update will be going through the new look and feel projects experience. Now this feature is available on QuickBooks Online Plus. So without further ado, let's check out this feature. If you notice it isn't on your left-hand menu, what you can do is you click on that gear icon and select Accounts and Settings. And then click on the Advanced tab and scroll down and click on Projects. Tick the box and then click Save and then Done, and it'll appear on your left-hand menu. So let's jump in. Now what you're going to see is when you log in, it sort of gives you a quick snapshot of how your projects are performing. So the income and costs associated with the product, as well as your current profit margin and any sort of time associated to that project. So let's drill in to the first project. And straight away you can get a further breakdown. So you can see your income as well as your costs, from your hourly costs as well as your expenses. So then you can see if you go further into the transactions tab, you can actually get a breakdown of all the transactions associated to that project, as well as any time activity, as well as the reports tab where you can see the project profitability, the time costs associations, as well as any unbilled time or expenses. So let's jump back over to the transactions, and it's really easy to actually add additional transactions to this project. Simply click on the Add to Projects, select on Invoice. So let's use the option of like, hey, look, here's that billable time that we haven't really quite associated to the project yet. So we're going to jump this in. We can put in the GST quickly. There we go. Let's give this customer a discount, and then we're all happy with that. So let's just go Save and Close. And there we go. And you can see straight away that the profit margin sort of changed based on creating that additional transaction. Other thing to call out is this is a pretty cool nifty new feature that we've got is the ability to sort of calculate an hourly cost associated to your employees. So you can click on that and you see we've already set up one for Drew, and if I click on the pencil and the calculator icon, you can sort of see, hey, like the wages for Drew, let's just say we're paying him $40 an hour, so there could be any employee taxes associated with his employees. So let's just put in a nominal amount of say $12 an hour for that one, and any overheads. Overhead things would be to calculate, such as like any maybe petrol expenses, it could be for utilities, etc. So let's just say, hey, there's $5 an hour associated to that. So it gives you sort of a nice little breakdown. So you go to Add, and then we're happy with that. So we're going to hit Save. Additionally, we can just add in an employee directly from this screen too. If say you have a new employee that you've basically hired on for this individual project, you can quickly add them as well. So listen, this is sort of in brief. I wanted to give you a really quick overview of the feature itself. Please go in and check it out. As always, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update. See you later.